And what is up, everybody? Jeremy here, and in this video we got RamTech Unlimited version 2.52 coming at you. This one's all about adding all the ship into the MaxiPad. That's right, about a week ago I popped the question, which ship should I add to the MaxiPad? And one of the answers I got from Bivens2317 was all of them, LOL. And I had an aha moment this weekend and finally was able to achieve that. And let me show you what I did. Let's bring out the MaxiPad, everybody. Going into our decorator, the MaxiPad is right up here in the RamTech Unlimited tab. And I'm going to place this MaxiPad in the water. That's right, MaxiPad stands for maxing out the potential of this pad. And I'm going to our ship builder control console and enter this. I have multiple categories now. If I click on the first one, by unique favorite and DLC ships, it's now separated into categories. So here are our unique ships from the base game, and here are our favorites. So we could add more to this. So once you go through all those ships in here and say, you know what, Jeremy, I want something to load up faster and I want it in the favorites, you can let me know. So yeah, note that there's so many ships in here that it does take some moments to load. If I go back into buy other civilian ships and click on trade authority, nothing happens, and that's because all the ships are still loading. And if I go to faction ships and click on House of Varun, those ships have loaded. So just FYI, it is loading up from top to down, just like your load order. But if you want something that loads up faster, let me know and I can put it up in there. But yeah, once again, just review, you must have all DLC installed and activated in your load order to access the DLC and whatever mods I have available in here to access them. Right, so if I click on Falkland Systems, and if I don't have the Falkland Systems mod installed, it's not going to show any ships. All right, just FYI, that's how it works. And I did that so if people still want to use this mod, use RamTech Unlimited, they still can. So other things I did there for the factions or the DLC, Terran Armada, I added all the variations of the different ships in here. That's right, so you don't only get to see the third variation, you get to see them all now. All right, same thing with Watchtower. See all the different variations of the ships. All of them. All the ships. All your ships belong to us. And nothing new from Checkers Alliance. There's just 3 unique ships in there. The Decoy Transpo. I love the Junker Watchdog. I've said that before. I love it. And of course, the most desirable ship from the DLC is going to be the Orchid. So yeah, other things that I need to highlight. This is look through these ships. It's really cool. I never seen this one. Have you seen this one? The Trader Highlander 3. I'm guessing this has to show up only through a random. I haven't never seen it anywhere else. So yeah, let me have you seen this. I thought that was really interesting to see. And it's kind of powerful too. Look at that. Look at the value. Look at the loadout. Pretty amazing when you think about it. So yeah. So I think out of those two, the interesting categories for me was seeing that in Trade Authority, but also the generic citizenships. There's a whole bunch. I mean, I guess these are just generic ships in general. Generic generals, citizenships. So, yeah, they have a Highlander 3 here too. And this one is the same as the Trade Authority. The Trade Authority just has a different skin on it, right? Different color. So I thought that was neat. Out of all this, is there anything else I could say? There are so many different UC ships. There's so many different ones. I had to split them into 2 different categories. I never realized this was interesting to see from the first. I didn't realize they had their own. I mean, I guess they did, but I didn't even pay attention to them. I was like, oh, you only deal with the first for such a small amount of time that, yeah, that's their whole set of ships that are available to them. But out of all, I think Varun, Ecliptic, are these the only ones that have the Claymore? I think they're the only ones that have the Claymore. And I don't remember seeing any other variations across the different categories. And I think that's it. Out of like ones that really popped out to me, the Dirge 3. That's of course those are great, but once again, these are mostly different variations of a other ship. But yeah, I think the Claymore, out of all of them, the Claymore is probably the one unique faction ship that I've seen. Like, I don't think I've seen this in anywhere, or I don't think I've seen another variation anywhere else. As I try to get back to it, there he is, the Claymore. The Claymore. I think you only see that as a random in the game, and the Ecliptic are the only faction that have these ships. Cool. Other than that, I fixed the access vehicle bug that I had, so now this should be popping up regularly. And the big one here as well is like if you save this game or if you exit or reload this game, there an invisible wall would pop up. So I fixed that too. So I'm going to do a quick save and then a quick reload and let that happen. Okay, and there you go. So we have reloaded in, and that invisible wall isn't there. So I was able to fix that out, figure that one out. So that way, you shouldn't have an issue. Like, you don't have to remove the Maxi Pad and put it back on. So yeah, other things. So once again, I did say please allow a few moments for all the ships to load. And under unique favorite and DLC ships, you must have DLC installed and activated load orders. I want to make that clear. And the last one, or the other ones, the access vehicle. So this was an issue before. I think I already showed that, didn't I? Did I already show that? I think I already showed that. And the last one, refresh vendor list. So there is a script that works behind the scenes to bring in the ships from the DLC. But if you click on this, it will run that script again just in case. And as a little reminder, to refresh the vendor list, you must leave the planet and return. So there you go. So I just want to put those out there so for people to know and see it right away, in case they realize, like, hey, wait, why is my ship not showing? Why is my ship not showing? And that should be it, everybody. Once again, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, as everything does help out. And once again, special thank you to our patrons and supporters. Without you, we wouldn't be able to do what we're doing. So thank you once again. You can check out a link in the description if you'd like to become a patron or supporter. You could also support us by checking out our brand new channel called J Ramos Works Creative. I'm building that to 1,000. I create art out of discarded objects. So be sure to check it out as well. And beyond that, guys, have yourselves an amazing day, and we will see you in the next one. Peace out.